Hi, we're recording this on December 9, which is 1 week after the event. So we made some improvements, but also primarily because we wanted just to make a demo smoother. And I'll show you again how fast Acki Nacki is, and that's the main purpose of the demo. So I already create a bunch of things, and the purpose of this is not to show the Gauche actually capabilities. So I will do some tasks, like for example, let's create a DAO, demo DAO. Like 1,000 tokens. So what we're doing now is creating the DAO on Gosh, and which runs on Acki Nacki. Now this implies deploying a lot of smart contracts actually. There's a whole system with all the functionality which is deployed right now on chain. So it's not one contract um, that you just boom, it's done. Okay, so I even didn't have time to kind of walk you through so you can see that this is like the DAO with all the members, which is right now just me, with the ability to store files, with the hackathons grants here, task system, all of that, Ethereum layer 2 supports, all of that needed to be deployed for this DAO, and it took what, a few seconds, right? So okay, I already have some DAOs that I played with, so it has so I created Acki Nacki DAO, which has me as a member. I also created tags. So let's invite some new member to this DAO. Right, Satoshi. Again, I can invite whole DAO. I can invite the person. Satoshi has a DAO because obviously, like we create DAO for every person that joins. So I create Satoshi, and that created a DAO for him. But let's invite just Satoshi with 20 karma. Let's invite Satoshi. Sounds like a good idea. Invite this member, and okay, we need to vote for it. Let's vote. So I'm on the lone member, so I'm voting, and boom, it's done. So we have proposal accepted, and well, let's see. Yeah, we have Satoshi now, right, with 20 karma. So it has a token balance of actually more than me, even because I have also 90 investing. But that happened because I created task here and performed it here. So okay, I have some tags here. Yeah, I have an admin tag, which gives me 150% of power on everything that admin, that every commit that admin tag is on. So let me add the admin tag to me. So adding admin tag. So it will give me some more voting power on the decisions where admin needs to vote. So let's create this. That we need to vote for this. So okay, so I vote for this. Well, we need Satoshi also to vote. So I'll go to Satoshi. And I vote from his account as well. You won't see that, but I'll just do it now. So yes, I'm voting for Satoshi. Yeah, so we have it's accepted, right? So now I need to have. I think I have a I have an admin tag now. So if I create a repository, let's say I want to create a repository. Let's go here, create new, and let's say we have a admin repository, and we add the admin tags to this repository, create repository. Just want to say, creating repository is a very long task. It's creating many smart contracts because it's kind of repository, the tree of the repository, all sorts of objects. So I'm voting for this. As you see, because of I had a 20 power But now I voted with 30, and I voted with 30. The reason for that is because I have 150. The stacks give me 150%. So when I so now I had like 30 votes instead of 20 for this stat, despite the fact that I have only 20 karma. Okay. Well, I think like okay, maybe let's create some milestone again. So let's create some milestone. That will be milestone 2, and let's put me as manager, and let give me like 20 tokens as a reward, and it will be admin repository, and the budget will be, I don't know, 60 tokens. Let's have some vesting rules. So I'll get it in 12 months, and it will vest over monthly. And let's create this milestone. Okay, milestone is also, we'll need to, yeah, boom, done. Let's vote for it. Boom, done. We need Satoshi to vote for it. So I'll go to vote for Satoshi in different browser. And Satoshi is voting now. And boom, done. All right. You see, so it's accepted already. Well, that's how fast it is. Really, like, okay, let's add some files. We created some admin repo here, and let's add some files. So I have some file, which let's put inside. This is admin file. You won't see that, but you will see it in a second. Okay, so let's drag and drop some file here. So I'm dropping it. So you can see that here started all sorts of deployment smart contracts here, like trees, snapshots, diffs, commits. It's boom, done. That's how fast it is. Like this is incredibly fast. It's faster than Solana, and it's more secure. So this is admin file. Okay, I can put some comments, create some comments. Boom, done. That's what user expects from the modern application. That's what you would do. The same thing in GitHub would look like that. You would see in Microsoft Cloud would look like that. That would be the response times, and we are achieving this response times in a blockchain with Acki Nacki consensus. That's how good it is. So let me check. Let me change something in this file. Let me add a line. You won't see that again. Adding a line I write in the file and save it, and then let me drop it here. Just the same file. Thus, just replacing it, and what will happen? It will recognize that's the same file. It will open a file and it will apply diffs on chain by validators. The diffs are applied on chain. There's nothing going on the server or locally. It's all on the blockchain. So done. So it's replaced it. Now we see that there's a version of this file because again, it's a full implementation of Git. So we can see the version of this file. This is the version. These are the changes. Okay, adding a line. That's what I did. I added the line, and we see it here. If we go, of course, inside the file, well, we see this is the admin file, and this is adding a line. This is what I added. Okay, so again, thanks for this, and boom, comment. Perfect. Okay, so that's how fast it is. It's incredibly fast. It is just amazingly fast. Again, we can do unlimited number of members in this, as I already voted before, so that that we see some activity here. You can create hackathons and grants, but there will be, like, we will talk in separate occasion about the Gosh and its functionality. But what I wanted to convey today is that how fast this thing is. It's just incredibly fast. It's just the same user experience that is expected by the user from any application, and decentralized application is no exception. And except for Acki Nacki consensus, I don't know any technology which can do the same, being scalable and that fast.